Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
First, prepare the environment for cluster backups and gather tools. Install Kubectl, Ekgictl, and Velero on a management host. Create an S3-compatible bucket and IAM credentials for backup storage. Verify network access to the API server and object store endpoints. Choose a snapshot frequency, such as every 6 hours and retention of 3 snapshots. Ensure you have access to control plane certificates for ECT. Confirm node disk space is sufficient, at least 10 GB free for temporary snapshot storage. Stop automated writes to ECT or ensure ECT is healthy before snapshotting. Run Ekgictl snapshot save /tmp/xsnap. DB endpoints equals https://127.0.0.1 casert equals /etc/Kubernetes/pki/ca. CRT cert equals /etc/Kubernetes/pki/ect client. CRT key equals /etc/Kubernetes/pki/ect client. Use Velero to capture Kubernetes objects and persistent volumes reliably. Install Velero with Restic support and configure the S3 bucket and IAM credentials. Create a backup schedule at 0300 daily and set retention to 7 days. Run Velero backup, create full cluster include namespaces equals default kube system to capture objects immediately. For PV, rely on Restic or cloud snapshots depending on storage class. Practice restores by restoring a small namespace and validate pods become ready within 5 minutes. Automate recovery drills monthly to ensure procedures work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.